Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name's Chris and today I'm at Lowe's checking out some of the new Craftsman Stanley Black & Decker items that they got in. There was a lot of deals and coupons going in over the weekend and had a chance to check out some of the new Comfort Grip Craftsman items as well as some of the sockets that they had in, some of the other ratchets, and even some of the torque wrenches. And I'll give you my 2 cents on some of these items here. And first we're going to start off by taking a look at some of the single sockets. So let's take a look at these single sockets, and as you can see, the 1/4 inch come in a 6-point and go from 4. It does include the 4.5 millimeter in both the shallow and the deep. So if you're filling out a Hansen socket tray, these come in at $3.48. And you're able to get those, except for it only goes up to 14. So the Hansen socket tray goes up to 15 millimeter. So you're going to be a little bit short on that one, but you can pick up that 4.5 millimeter. Now, Craftsman does sell their own socket tray holder, but it combines the metric and SAE, so I'm going to pass on that one. Now let's look at some of the 3/8 inch drive 6-point that they have. It goes from 6 millimeter for the shallow all the way up to 20, 21, and even 22 millimeter. So we're looking good there. These are all 448 each. But then when you get to the deep, well, it does start out at 6 millimeter. It goes to 19, skips 20, and goes to 21. Now if we look at the 1/2 inch drive, it comes in 12-point only, starts out at 10 millimeter, goes up to 36 millimeter, comes in at $9.48 for the max that you'll pay for one of these, so that's not bad. Stampings and marking look pretty good. Now these are made in China for anybody that cares, and this does skip that 29 millimeter, so you won't be able to get that one. But other than that, you can get a complete socket set in that 1/2 inch 12-point. And then for the deep, it starts out at 10 millimeter, goes to 27 millimeter, but it does skip a 25 and a 26 millimeter. But the max you'll pay for these are $9.48, and then they got the 23 coming in at $7.98, and pretty much all the other ones are $9.48 or $8.48. So again, not a bad looking socket. They do have SAE as well in the shallow and the deep, and those go up to 1.5 inch, and they are coming in just a little bit cheaper. So the max you'll pay for one of those on the shallow side is $8.48. Now I did quick ask them about return policy. If you break an older Craftsman USA socket, they said bring it in. They probably will ask you for a driver's license. Go grab the item and bring it back up to the desk and they'll exchange it out. Let's take a look at some ratchets here. So this was a really interesting one. These are the long handle flex head, and these have a selector switch that is opposite of what you're typically used to. So beware on those. And they have these in 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch at 68, 58 for the 3/8, and 34 for the 1/4 inch. So looking at the Comfort Grip here, this isn't that bad of a ratchet. It feels like it's weighted just about right. It's got a decently slim head. I mean, it's a little wide, but the grip's nice. It feels good. It's not too hard, not too soft. They come in at 39, 29, and 24 for the 1/4 inch. But they just seem a little short. Like this needs to be just a tad bit longer for a 1/4 inch. Well, and then looking at these over here, they have the roto head ones. And this one actually, I mean, it's oddly priced, $29.40 for the 3/8 inch drive and $30.98 for the 1/4 inch drive. I don't know. I triple checked that, and that's the right pricing. But looking specifically at the 3/8 inch ratchet, that'd probably be the only one I would buy. The slot in it that separates the roto head on these is a lot less sharp compared to the Harbor Freight one. And the ratchet handle feels a lot better than that short little stubby thing that you get at Harbor Freight. So not a little bad ratchet. Now looking specifically at these Comfort Grip ratchets, the 1/4 inch comes in at 5.5 inches, the 3/8 in at 8 inches, and the 1/2-inch drive at 10 inches. So to me, if Stanley Black & Decker could have added just an extra inch on these, it probably would have made me purchase these today, just because it's not that bad of a ratchet. But without that extra inch on there, they just feel a tad bit short. One thing odd that stood out to me was 90-day warranty for the torque wrenches. Now, I think that's pretty much what their old warranty used to be. But to me, 1 year is pretty much standard for torque wrenches. And $200 for their digital torque wrench, well, it's not like that bad of a deal. A 90-day warranty, I just couldn't get over it. Harbor Freight set the bar really, really high. The way they denote their regular torque wrenches to their digital ones are the digital all have the quick release, and the standard torque wrenches do not have that quick release. So unless these come in at like a 50% off or like a buy one get one free sale, which that's not going to happen, with that 90-day warranty, you just got to pass on these. And the final thing that we looked at was the 28-piece metric and SAE 1/2-inch driver impact bit socket set. Now these are just loose in a box in an order, but you get 7 of each different size and style. And we'll take a look at them here. So it is a Torx bit coming in at T70 down to T40. You get metric from 9mm to 15mm, and you get SAE from 3/8 to 3/4, and you get your E-Torx from E12 to E24. So guys, thanks for shopping along with me at Lowe's today. I got to run home, had a water emergency, had some backed up sewer lines, and didn't get to purchase anything today. So I hope you are doing better than I am, and as always, work smarter, not harder, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. All right, the bonus footage and the bloopers. And here is the lime green taxed toolbox. It comes in at $50 more than the matte black one over there. And so, yeah, I always liked the fully stainless steel one that they had, which really reminded me kind of like a DeLorean, which was awesome because it brought me back to my childhood history. But you should never buy a toolbox based on your feelings. But this matte black one over here, that's pretty nice. I'll probably end up going with maybe like a Milwaukee or a Husky one. But who knows, because I already got stuff at home and I already got them in use. But man, wouldn't it be nice to be able to have the same key open your toolbox as it does your house? Anyways, guys, catch you in the next video. Take care.